Moist and tender spiral ham, the ultimate guide.
Hello and welcome to today's culinary journey. Today, we'll be diving deep into a beloved dish, spiral ham. We'll be specifically focusing on how to keep your spiral ham moist and tender during cooking. Follow this guide and your ham will never be dry or tough again.
Why is moisture important in spiral ham?
First off, let's talk about why moisture is important when cooking spiral ham. Spiral ham, like any meat, can become dry if overcooked or not properly managed during cooking. Moisture is key to keeping the ham tender and enhancing its flavor. Today, we'll learn how to maintain that essential moisture during the cooking process.
Choosing the right ham.
Before you even begin cooking, selecting the right ham is crucial. Look for a spiral ham that's already been brined, as the brining process helps to lock in moisture. You also want to avoid hams that have a large amount of water added, as this can actually lead to a less flavorful result.
Preparing the ham.
To begin, preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius. Remove the ham from its packaging and discard any flavoring packet. If your ham comes with a glaze packet, set it aside for later use. Place the ham cut side down in a roasting pan and cover it tightly with aluminum foil. This helps to trap in heat and moisture, preventing the ham from drying out during cooking.
Cooking the ham.
You'll want to bake the ham at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius, for about 10 to 14 minutes per pound, depending on the size of your ham. However, remember to keep it covered with foil for most of this time to retain the moisture.
Glazing the ham.
About 15 minutes before the end of the cooking time, remove the foil and apply the glaze, if using. Increase the oven temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 205 degrees Celsius, and allow the glaze to caramelize. This will create a flavorful crust and add additional moisture to the ham.
Resting the ham.
Once the ham is fully cooked and glazed, let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes before serving. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the ham, ensuring it stays moist and tender when sliced. And that's it. You now have all the knowledge to keep your spiral ham moist and tender during cooking. Remember, the key is to cook your ham at a steady, low temperature, keep it covered to trap the moisture, and let it rest before carving. We hope this guide has been helpful and can't wait to hear how your delicious spiral hams turn out. Happy cooking!